rid away from the evil spirits dwelling there. Any Paul, yang yo no yang open ham, yang kedin kelam yang kebaik pundo, apa itu iklan yang kesim etna. Atau punya ngam, kedin kelam yang kebaik pundo, tuan punya ngam, apa kesim etna.
Hey, saya kerja kat orang
With the completion of the chosen die, now it is time for those of God and others to bring the Behdiengkhlam of the Baipun Bun being carried into the same Eitnar or the sacred pool Eitnar. Unless and until the Behdiengkhlam of Baipun Bun has been carried and immersed into the same Eitnar, it is forbidden for anyone to step.
Đi không? Đi bây giờ khán giả.
The ritual performed on the arrival of the Behdiengkhlam of the Baipun Bun at the same Eitnar, the Behdiengkhlam is seen being broken and prayers are being offered on completion of the task. Then the Ustangot Paswet along with Ustangot Pasubon and Upatol standing on the Moknor waiting for the arrival of the Behdiengkhlam. Now, take up and wrap, okay, it's going to draw a liang the right side leading by the Udaloi, the Sun, and along door, the Behdiengkhlam of the Baipun door is being carried from the residence of the Behdiengkhlam door, the official home of the priestess known as the Baipun door, to the same Eitnar. Are praying and splashing water over their head and body as an act of cleansing themselves with the sacred water. Amba di yoki pada kabai de terha ne liang yong ke completed with the Behdiengkhlam Kabon. Now it is time for each and everyone who are present here, both after the arrival of the two rods, as they had been brought into the Einar and had already been placed to the other side of the same Einar, except the timing for us to turn right try to get away the symbol Snem. As we can see, everyone is rushing in order to get hold of the symbol Snem as an act or a ritual to get blessings from the symbol Snem by touching it.
The Seinraij Jowai, as well as our secretary and all the office bearers, and all the citizens and tourists who have come to be part of this very, very colorful festival of Behdiengkhlam that we are having today. At the very outset, I would like to wish
the respect we should have upon ourselves by being self-reliant and independent. No matter what the work is, as long as it is ours, it will always be our most valuable possession. Iwan yang kebetulan, sampai ini berarti yang ini kita sekolah tidak tahu menjadi benar baik bukan dosa. Hampirnya